prior planning prevents poor performance. If you weren't screwing around on your phone, then I think you might have been in the proper lane and not blocked everybody there. I saw a white charging cable plugged into a grey naked iPhone. I saw numerous typing actions on the phone with both of his thumbs. I saw a younger male, maybe in his 30s, early 40s, with tattoos on his arms, brown hair. Not good, man.
I'm a delivery driver, so I have to
I
keep
know.
looking.
You're not allowed to though.
Yeah, I understand.